no sense. We never the guilty, only he and earth will prosper. That brings to Allah a good and sound heart. To the righteous the garden will be brought very near. To those praying in evil, fire in full view. To them we shall be fair, where the God is worship.
Judgment Day is something you should think about. Judgment Day, reckoning day is something you should worry about. Reckoning day, Judgment Day is something you should think about. Judgment Day, reckoning day is something you should worry about. Reckoning day.
The God you used to worship beside the law, can they help you now, or can they help themselves? Then they will be thrown headlong in the fire. All the hosts will be blessed for heaven due to retire. And they shall argue in there, mutual be complaints. Want to figure out the devil, blaming them saying, truly we were in error. When we held you as equal to the Lord of the birds, you know when you're his equal, you have deceived countless people. Our seducers were none, but those dipped in guilt. Now we have no friends who won't intercede for us. If only we had a chance to return with be of those who believe.
Judgment Day is something you should think about. Judgment Day, reckoning day is something you should worry about. Reckoning day, Judgment Day is something you should think about. Judgment Day, reckoning day is something you should worry about. Reckoning day.
As we both go between in the hereafter, have made their deeds pleasing in their eyes, so they just wander blindly. Such are they for whom a Christian's chastisement is waiting for doom. In the hereafter this will be the greatest zoom. You got the heat of this morning now, I assume.
Judgment Day is something you should think about. Judgment Day, reckoning day is something you should worry about. Reckoning day, Judgment Day is something you should think about. Judgment Day.